Transforming negatives into positives. Mastering the art of English negation. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to talk about a crucial aspect of English grammar that often causes some confusion: double negatives. Specifically, we're going to learn how to transform double negatives into positive statements. This is an important skill to have, as it will help you to communicate more clearly and accurately. So, let's dive in. Double negatives occur when two negative words are used in the same sentence. This can often create confusion because two negatives can turn a sentence into a positive. Here's an example: I don't need no help. This is a double negative because it uses don't and no in the same sentence. It might seem like it means I need help, but actually, it implies the opposite: I don't need help. However, this structure is considered incorrect in standard English. Instead, we use positive words to express the same sentiment. Let's take a look at how we can replace double negatives with positive words to correct our sentences. We'll use our previous example, I don't need no help. A more appropriate way to express this sentiment in standard English would be, I don't need any help. Here, the double negative has been replaced by the positive word, any, thus correcting the sentence. Let's try another example. He can't do nothing right. We have a double negative here with can't and nothing. The corrected sentence should be, he can't do anything right. By replacing nothing with anything, we have transformed the double negative into a positive statement, which is grammatically correct in standard English. Now, it's your turn to practice. Here are some sentences with double negatives. Try to correct them using what you've learned. 1. She doesn't have no time. 2. I can't find no keys. 3. He doesn't want no dessert. And here are the corrected sentences. 1. She doesn't have any time. 2. I can't find any keys. 3. He doesn't want any dessert. Mastering the usage of negatives in English can be a bit tricky, but with practice, it will become second nature. Remember to avoid using double negatives and instead, use positive words to make your sentences grammatically correct. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro at avoiding double negatives in no time. Happy learning!